I do point out that an article published by the Annals of Internal Medicine about 8 years ago reported that a startling 22% of adults over the age of 71 have some neurocognitive disorder. According to the Pew Research Center, about 18% of the US population will be over the age 65 by the year 2030. And to take it even further, another study shows that about 21.7% of the US population will be over age 65 by the year 2040. So what does this mean for all of us that are gathered here in this room? We should anticipate a myriad of ethical issues involving our clients and or prospective clients' capacity, diminished capacity or incapacity, and the need to address the ramifications of the mental and physical impairments due to age. Your observation of diminished capacity is only the initial step for you to evaluate a client's capacity. The next step is to really focus on the legal capacity for the proposed transaction or situation at issue. And this requires a direct comparison of the client's understanding with each of the functional elements of capacity that are set out in the statutes. And I'm not going to go through all of them, but let's just use one for example, and that is testamentary capacity. So although a client may show signs of diminished capacity in introductory remarks in a meeting, and even during subsequent discussion in your office, the real heart of the capacity issue involves your judgment as to whether the client can satisfy the legal elements in making a will. Can the client describe what a will is, for example? Does the client know the objects of his or her bounty, being able to set forth for you his or her natural heirs? Does the client know the nature and extent of his or her assets? Can the client describe a basic plan for distributing assets to his or her heirs? The client's decisional process will be implicit and intuitive as well as explicit. So I would submit that it is the role of all of us to present information, to answer and ask questions, to gently probe and inquire, and weigh client responses and thought processes.